Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet with the beads that I received from the Potomac Bead Company. We're going to be using pie duos, 11 O's, 2mm rounds, and also the clasp that they sent me. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. We are going to start by picking up one of the pie duos and we are going to sew up through the first hole. As you can see, the pie duos, they are like quarter pies. We are going to pick up 3 11 O's and we are going to sew in a reverse direction through the second hole of the pie duo. At the same time, we're going to pick up another pie duo and we are going to put the pie duo on an opposite direction and we are going to sew through the first hole. We are going to pick up 3 11s and we are going to sew in a reverse direction through the pie duo. At the same time, we're going to grab another pie duo and we are going to sew through both of the pie duos. We are going to pick up 3 11s. We are going to grab another pie duo and we are going to sew through the second hole and through the first hole of the pie duo. And we are going to be repeating these steps until we get the length that we need for our bracelet. To make this bracelet, you're gonna need at least 60 pie duos. So I will not recommend for you to order less than 60 pie duos. Continue and I'll be right back to show you how to continue. We have the length that we need for a bracelet. So what you're going to do, you are going to reinforce all this work. So you're going through all the beads until you get to the other side because we want our base to be very secure. We're going to use this round bead and you can see in the previous video the size of the bead. This bead I got it from the Potomac Bead Company as well. Grab this bead and just pick up 3 of these 11s and sew through these 2. Pick up 1 11, one of these crystals that I got, and I will pick up, I'm gonna try some 15 O's. I will pick up 4mm Bicon, 15 O crystal, and an 11. And we are going to sew through the one in the middle like that. Let's see if we can pull out this needle. This looks good, so let's continue. So we're gonna pick up 1 11. We are using this 2mm. all of these materials I got from the Potomac bead. The only ones that I didn't got there from there is the crystals and the 15 ohs, but I'm sure you can order them from there as well. So it's 111, a 2mm, 15 ohm, bicon, 15 ohm, 2mm, and 11 ohm. Okay, so let me show you. So this is what we are picking up for the embellishment. There you go. So we are going to sew through the one and the 11 0 in the center. So we're going to pick up 111, 2mm, 15 0, bicon, 15 0, 2mm, 11 0, and we are going to continue repeating this step throughout the row, and I'll be right back to show you. So right now for this, I will come through the next bead and through the pie duo. So I will pass through the pie duo. Okay, so right here, I will pick up the other silver bead that I have right here. And then we pick up 3 of the 11 ohs. There you go. And we will sew up through these two. A thread is exiting from this center bead. We are going to sew up through the 11 that is holding the 2mm. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the 11 that is right next to, that is holding the other 2mm. And we are going to sew back through the 11 that our thread was exiting. And we are also going to sew through the next 11. I flip my work so you can see the other 11, but basically it's the 11 that we add is the 3 base beads that we add. We are going to pick up 5 15 ohs, and we are going to sew through the next 2 11 ohs. And remember, we are working with the 11th from the base of the bracelets, the first one when we start making the bracelet. We are going to sew up through the 11 that is holding the 2mm, and we are going to sew in a reverse direction through the 11 that is right next to, that is holding the other 2mm. And we are going to continue repeating this step throughout the row. So sew through the next bead, pick up 5 15/0s, and we are going to sew through the next 2 11/0s. Continue throughout the row, start on the other side, and I'll be right back to show you how to finish your bracelet. Okay, I finished this row, so we're gonna repeat the same step on the other side. Our thread is coming out of the round bead. We are going to pick up 5 11s. We are going to grab a wire guardian. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the second hole of the wire guardian. We are going to sew back through one of the 11s. We are going to pick up 4 11/0s. You're gonna sew through the pie duo and through the round bead, and you are going to go ahead and reinforce. Because I am very anxious to put this video, I'm not going to finish it right now, but technically you're gonna repeat on the other side, and we just need to add our clasp. I hope this video was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to buy any of the pie duos, don't forget to visit the PotomacBeadCompany.com. Until next time, thank you.